Small birds, budgies, canaries, finches. Minimum cage size, 18 inches, 46 cm, in length, width, and height. Medium birds, cockatiels, lovebirds, conures. Minimum cage size, 24 inches, 61 cm, in length, width, and height. Large birds, African greys, Amazons, cockatoos. Minimum cage size, 36 inches, 91 centimeters, in length, width, and height. Extra large birds, macaws, large cockatoos. Minimum cage size, 48 inches, 122 centimeters, in length, width, and height.
1. Size 2, bar spacing. 3. Quality materials. 4. Accessibility. 5. Perch placement. 6. Feeder and water bowl placement. 7. Toys and enrichment.
Have a house more than one bird in a small cage. Birds need space to retreat, forage, fly, and be apart from other birds, so the more birds being kept, the larger the cage must be. Aviaries, large cages that are akin to small sheds, are more appropriate for keeping several birds at the same time.
Are some general tips. Temperature. Ensure that the area is at a comfortable temperature for the specific type of animal. Avoid extreme heat or cold. Most pets are comfortable in temperatures similar to those preferred by humans. Draft-free zone. Place the cage in an area that is free from drafts. Drafts can make the environment feel colder and less comfortable. Away from direct sunlight, quiet area and proper ventilation. This makes cleaning much easier, and the papers can be disposed of with ease than fresh ones placed straight down for the next day's use. Keep a supply of papers hand. Junk mail and old newspapers also work well. If you prefer a more traditional method of lining your bird's cage for waste removal, line the bottom of the cage with wood chips, kitty litter, or sand.
As a rule of thumb, a healthy diet for most bird breeds consists of 75% pellets and 25% human table foods. Since precise dietary requirements are dependent on the species, talk with an avian veterinarian to see what type of food your breed of bird needs. Over time, you'll begin to see patterns emerging in the types of food that your bird prefers.
This adds greens and variety to their diet. A mixture or variety of foods is both healthy and fun for birds. Cut up and serve your bird a variety of fruits and veggies, including oranges, berries, spinach, and celery. You can also give your bird nuts and cooked beans for flavor and variety with their meals.